Hi Crafty Planner, welcome to my channel. I'm Tina and thanks for joining me. Now today's video I am going to be doing my very first Erin Condren plan with me. And I am new to the Erin Condren. I picked this planner up and look at how beautiful she is. I love the cover. It's just like the world in flowers. And I did pick this up. This is brand new for me for this year. If you want to see exactly what is in this planner and how it came, then you can take a peek. I did do a flip through of this, actually did an unboxing, so I'll go ahead and link that for you. Now for this plan with me, I'm planning out the week March 16th through the 22nd. I'm going to be using some stickers from the Happy Planner Dates and Holidays sticker book, along with this sticker kit from DEK Designs. And this is so cute. I'm going to be planning this week, and it is St. Patrick's Day this week. It's also the first day of spring. So this kit includes some full boxes. There's 9 here, and there are some headers at the bottom. And I love the theme. It's so pretty. Look at that apple teeny in the corner. It's so cute. This page has got some quarter boxes, some half boxes with some print, and then weekend sticker, and then some sidebar stickers. And we've got some flags and deco on here, along with some script with deco like Coffee Monday, Trash Eve, Sleep In. So cute. And then this sheet has got some heart checklists and a couple different sizes, and then some flag checklists at the bottom. And here we've got our headers in 3 different colors. And there are some blank ones there too at the bottom. And then this page has got our days of the week and our bottom washi, along with some of her little characters at the bottom corner there, which those are super cute. And here we've got some glitter quarter boxes and half boxes, along with some glitter headers at the bottom. Now this sheet is considered her worksheet, and she's got like the illustration of her at the laptop, some work stickers, and those stickers at the top, I like to call them like half doily stickers. They're so pretty. That's what I call them. And then of course these beautiful girls here. And I am going to be using some of the overlays. This is a gold header overlays that I'll be using throughout the week. All right, I'm going to be speeding things up here, and I'm going to be doing my bottom washi first. Now, I have only been planning in this, like I said, for just this year and not every week. I sort of had to get my feel for how I wanted to plan in this planner. It's totally different from what I'm used to. If you are a subscriber to my channel, then you will know that I am primarily a Happy Planner girl. So I wanted to try something a little bit different, and I thought the Erin Condren was just something that I really wanted to check out and try out for myself. And I love it. It's so much fun. I just love using all of the sticker kits from all of these wonderful shops. So now here at the bottom, I am doing some covering up. The one bottom washi layer here is actually thick enough, so I didn't have to cover anything under that. But this lighter green one, I definitely had to cover up because there were some shadows coming through. Now this kit does not come with its own date dots, which is perfectly fine because I have plenty of date dots. So that's why I, went to my Happy Planner Dates and Holidays book, and I pulled out my date dots. As you can see, I've got plenty of date dots. So that's a great sticker book, by the way, because there's just lots of good stuff in there. Lots of pages of date dots and things like that. Now I realize that this is black coloring, and most of the font in this kit is white, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. And then here I am just covering things up, preparing to lay down the headers. Now this has been definitely something different for me because I'm not used to laying stickers completely on the planner. I'm used to having a lot of white space, and I definitely could do that. I mean, it's my planner. I could do whatever I want with it, but it's sort of like it's grown on me, like having like all of the stickers on the pages have, it's really grown on me. So I really do enjoy it now. It's just a lot of fun. I do kind of switch things out a little bit, just for my own personal preference. Now, a lot of the plans that I had already put, that I am going to put into this week sort of got a little changed up considering everything that's going on right now. But here I'm working on my sidebar, and I'm just covering up the hexie there and then the calendar at the bottom. I generally don't use a sidebar. In my planning, my normal, I don't know if you want to call it normal, but my regular planning that I'm used to, I am generally a horizontal planner. I am starting to use vertical layout though more and more, and I'm really enjoying it. So using a sidebar is definitely different for me, and I'm just, trying to figure out what works best for me. And here I am just trying to lay these full boxes down. Again, I don't like the full boxes throughout the whole page, if you will. I sort of like to leave the top box area empty. And I'm just kind of figuring out what boxes I want to lay, on what days, that kind of thing. What headers I want to use. I'm still this is still new to me, so there's definitely a little bit of a learning curve with this, and I switch things out. I mean, don't we all? I don't know. I kind of go back and forth a little bit here too. So here I am with the full box stickers, just laying those out. I liked this one here on this Thursday because Thursday the 19th, first day of spring, so I thought that bouquet of flowers, shamrock flowers, I don't know. So I just leave the top section blank for my planning. Now here I think I go back to the sidebar, yes. And I am looking for a March sticker because I like to have the month on the pages for the week. So I just decided to use one of these deco boxes to put March in there. And I just grabbed the sticker from my Happy Planner sticker book, the dates and holidays. I really love these girls. They're so pretty. I couldn't decide which one to use, so I just decided to pick the one that best represents me with the light skin and the brown hair. And now here I am using a week sticker and a little quarter box, and it's got the days of the week. I'm not big with habit trackers. I did try using them, but didn't really work for me. I would put them on the sidebar, but I never actually use them. So here I'm just flipping this around because I didn't like the idea of the gold right next to the gold. It seemed to be too clustered. And then I just put a little focus box at the bottom there. Now here I love their headers. Unfortunately, this pale yellow, since they decided to use a white font with them, it's really kind of lost on the pale yellow, but I like to have my checklist. So I do love the checklist page of the kit. And that one there says errands. I know it's really hard to see, but... And then here's my groceries. And this little sticker, grocery sticker, is from Sticker Stirs. Really, really cute shop. I picked up a lot of script from her. And I will link her shop below if you want to take a peek at her. I love all this like little deco with the scripting that the kit comes with. So cute. I have learned though that I do like the scripts and the deco to be like on the mini side because I don't know, it just looks a little nicer, I think. Anyway, that's my personal preference. Now here I'm putting a to-do header here and a flag checklist, but that doesn't stay actually. And here's my little doily sticker. I don't know why, that's what I call them. I call them the little doily stickers because that's what it reminds me of. And I will like bring the page down in just a second here. And you can see how, there it is. You can see how that turned out. I'm gonna write St. Patrick's Day in the little half doily. I thought that was cute. And then I'm just adding my checklist throughout the week here. I did have a little trouble with these. They weren't cut completely, so I just used my little X-Acto knife. No big deal. Now here I am on Thursday, and I'm using a little deco flag and then a quarter box here. And then I decided to change things up because it's just a little bit too much gold, like all clustered together. And then this appointment sticker is from Sticker Stirs. And then I go and I use another little of those little half doily stickers because Thursday is the first day of spring, so I want to write that in there. Now these stickers, I love them, the work header stickers and then the little asterisk sticker. I was going to write my time in there. Unfortunately, that sort of got canceled along with my Wednesday work schedule. I am going to be going into work today, Friday. I'm doing the voiceover today, so that's why I say today. And see how that goes. A lot of canceled plans this week, of course, because we are all dealing with the virus and, you know, things have been a little stressful, I would say, for everyone. Adding my little pale checklist. Again, those headers are so light. So that one says today. And then I'm adding in this little box here. I did have some plans for Saturday, but look at that cute little sleep-in sticker. So cute. Now that one did come from the kit that I'm using. So cute. And then Sunday, I'm using another one of those work headers along with a little box. I think I ran out of the asterisk boxes in that color, so I'm just using a plain one, which that's perfect. And then here I'm just adding a focus box and this really cute little bow. This is deco from the kit. And Sunday marks my my last day at my job, actually. And my husband was going to be taking me out to dinner, and that's why I put those little boxes there, but obviously we're going to have to postpone that. So I will still be working that day. And then here I am just removing that little flag to-do list because it didn't really make sense because I didn't add that particular type of checklist anywhere else in the week, so I just switched that out. Now here I'm kind of just looking at how everything looks, and I add my weekend sticker down below here. I like to add it down below on the washi. And here I noticed that things just looked a little bit busy at the later part of the week, so I am very carefully switching out these stickers. This one did start to rip a little bit, but thankfully it was fine and it did stick down, like it's staying down, so that's good. Just adding some headers in here where I felt, it needed. And then here I start to do the foil overlay. I'm using a gold foil overlay, and I did pick this up from DEK Designs, and they actually do offer their kits with foil, and they're beautiful. They're so beautiful. I think that I made a mistake when I ordered this kit. I wanted to have foil on it, and I forgot to click the option for the foil, so that was my mistake, and that's okay. I'm just adding the foil in here, and I added across the top headers, and here I realized, oops, I laid that deco down before I laid the overlay, so I very gently pick that up to put this overlay there. And then here I just kind of continue to lay some of the gold foil overlay on the headers. I think I do like all of the headers. Yep, I lay it on all of the headers, and I think I add a little bit, like, I don't know, on one of the full boxes, just to add like a little bit extra sparkle. I love the sparkle, so pretty. Yeah, so I did all of the headers, and then here I think, yes, I lay it just like at the bottom of that one full box. And then of course I add a couple here on the sidebar. Make sure I have those covered. So I really enjoyed doing this. It's like so pretty, and look at how pretty it is with all of the glittery sparkle foil. Love it. So I hope that you enjoyed this plan with me. I do have lots of stickers left over here from the kit, so definitely can use those somewhere else. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Check me out at Instagram because I'm there. You will see things there that you don't always see here. And I will see you next time. Bye.